Hi there everybody, this is Tony Nicole welcoming you to the red carpet. We're doing another Barbie hair transformation video. I'm super excited about this. We're using markers to color our doll's hair. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Here is a box of old used Barbies that I got off of eBay, and I've seen some videos about coloring the hair with markers, so we're going to try it, of course. But the first thing we're going to do is prep our doll by covering her face, neck, and shoulders with school glue. I know it's kind of scary, but it peels right off, and it's to protect the plastic from getting stained with the marker ink. Now this doll here has cuts already in her hair, so we're going to work around that by creating a shaved look on the side. So we're going to remove the hair, of course using caution with sharp objects. We're going to trim it, then we're going to trim a pipe cleaner very, very carefully. You don't want to hurt yourself. And from there we'll use the super glue adhesive gel. We're going to use that to apply the pipe cleaner shavings to the side of the head. It's really a really quick and simple technique to give your doll a shaved look. I've used it before in the previous video and on a couple of other dolls. Like I said, super quick, super easy, super simple. So she's got the one side shaved. Now it's time to start adding color. I laid the doll on a white piece of paper just to protect our work surface. And then we're going to start coloring. Just imagine you're in preschool and you're coloring. We're starting off with green, and I'm going to fade through to purples and pink, adding lots of color to the hair. And I turn it on the other side to make sure that the color goes all the way through. So we're coloring both sides. So again, I added purple and lastly pink. And here's the finished look. I love how it turned out. The saturation is nice, deep, bright colors. So it's pretty cool. Now it's time to style the hair, and we are breaking the #1 rule about synthetic doll hair. We're actually going to use a hot iron to curl it. But it's a little trick to it. We use very, very low heat, and I'm protecting the hair by applying lotion. This is just regular lotion from the dollar store, but if you coat it on the hair, it protects it from the heat. Again, we can only do this if you use very, very, very low heat. So I'm curling the hair, and of course always be careful, but I'm doing little taps just to demonstrate how little heat that is. But as you can see, it made awesome curls. And from here we're going to use a toothpick to help pull the curls apart. Like a big head full of curls. Super cute. Just take your time. You can still see that awesome color. So all the curls are pulled apart, and here's the look. It's really cute. I absolutely adore it. The last step that we have to do is to remove the glue, and it peels right off, and that glue protects the skin. And I learned the lesson the hard way, because when I first tried to use the markers, it stained the face. So I had to do the whole other technique to remove it with the acne cream. So here it is, and it's adorable. The colors are super awesome and super bright. So I tried it again by just adding a little bit of glue to the ends, and we used a larger curling iron to create a larger curl. She also has a really cool top knot, and it's a really trendy look. So I love how that one turned out as well. And with our third look, I kind of reversed it. I put the color on the roots and left the ends untouched. So to style it, we're going to again cover the hair with lotion to protect it. And with our heated curling irons at a very low heat, I'm just going to use a reverse curl where I'm kind of stamping, going over and under to create like a crimped deep wave look. And here it is, all done. And I really think it's cute, like the cool Beyonce kind of Coachella look. Then we're going to remove the glue. And here's the finished look. Again, I had a great time. I'm kind of obsessed with these hair transformations now. So don't be surprised if you'll get a few more videos doing Barbie hair transformations. So again, you guys are so awesome. Thank you for watching. You know how much I appreciate you. I cannot express it into words. Thank you for leaving comments. I love your suggestions. I need some ideas, guys. So hit me up on social media. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Twitter. And for leaving a comment, you know I've got to welcome Tiny Dolls into the red carpet. So thanks again. She left a comment on Instagram. Again, I appreciate your support. And remember, it's more fun to make it.